Fry, they are the Fort Fry Cadets. The Tampa Groves, exactly right. Tampa Groves, mainly from the Central Highlands, from the Indian River, and from the Tampa Groves. Does everybody see why that is that way? Okay. How about this one? Genoa is the geographical, historical, and logical. Yeah. Geographical, historical, and logical. I'm not trying to beat this into the ground, but I am wanting to make sure that everybody has the maximum opportunity to be sure they get this. Okay, the last one. This one's a little different. The lake was only a small sapphire glinting behind a tiny wall. There were canals which looked as if they were only silver threads as they wound across the plain. How could you make those two sentences be parallel in structure? The lake was only a small sapphire glinting behind a tiny wall. There were the canals which looked as if they were only silver threads as they wound across the plain. Tony, what would you do? So this is the first time we've had this. This, instead of a series of clauses, we have a series. We have a series of sentences, but it's going to be the same thing. Here's the first sentence. What's going to be the first word of the second sentence? So the lake was only a small sapphire gleaming behind a tiny wall. What is the second sentence talking about? The what? Need to phone a friend?
Those are the canals.
The canals? Okay. The lake was only a small sapphire glinting behind a tiny wall. The canals were what? Canals were what? The lake was a small sapphire. It's a metaphor just for that. The canals were, yeah. Canals were only silver threads as they wound across the plain. Yeah. You don't need any of that. Did that make sense now that we've done it? Okay, so this is what we're going to do the rest of the time. Using the knowledge that the new knowledge that you have gained, go ahead, go into Schoology, take that, do that little parallel structure thing. I think there's only 10 sentences. And then we will learn something about F. Scott Fitzgerald and the flappers.